Hi, this is Wendy here from the Ultimate HMO Success System, and today's quick tip is all about using loft spaces. If you've got a property that you want to turn into an HMO, you'll know that from October the licensing rules mean that if it's got 5 bedrooms or more, it'll have to have a local authority licence. Now previously that was only applicable to houses that were on 3 stories or more, and so many people thought, well, I'm not going to go into the loft space because there's no point and it means I'll have to get a licence. Well, if you've got 5 rooms or more, you're going to have to get a licence anyway. So why not think about exploring the loft space as a fantastic use of a resource that could be used to create another lettable room? In many properties, the loft offers an untapped area for further income, and it's a really good way to add an extra room into your property that can be a lettable space and create more income for you. So get a good quote from a builder, make sure they're doing it to building regulations, and make sure that the staircase is designed correctly so it fits in with the flow of the house. But assuming that you can do all of that, I would really recommend that with the new licensing regulations coming into force, this is a surefire way of making an extra £300 or £400 income per month, depending on where you're based in the country, for not a lot of extra cost. I'll speak to you very soon.